Have you seen this? You? Let me ask you something. What make you feel that this could be Syva?
Simple, sir. I need him.
And what close association would you have with his knees that you're so easily able to identify them?
Sir, if you didn't know, Syva was almost the father of Simiana,
Who?
my fourth child.
Well,
Sir, so you don't know about Rihanna, Brianna, and Tiana?
somebody box me. I bring me up to speed.
Well, sir, she's the baby mother of the Don from South, and she have 3 kids for him.
3 females, Rihanna, Brianna, and Tiana.
So tell me something now. Karim know about this?
Sir, who is Karim? Remember me and the Dan woman.
So the sea cruise him go up and wash out all of that really. Oh, I'm getting old, sorry. Yes.
Sir, I can bet money that it's him hiding in the area. But the camera now pick up that area there.
So, let me get this straight now. Your plan is to sit in the area and scrutinize every man knee?
Sir, I don't have to scrutinize. I will know that knee anywhere.
So, let me get this clear. You're talking inside a car, right? And you got close enough to his knees to have the memory be unforgettable.
No, sir. I get a chance to see him step out of the car, standing there when I was walking closer to him.
This man about 6'3", 6'4". And the first thing you look upon is it me? You saw any of this?
No, sir. Now look on the man, but we can't tell you, sir. I have a big head back though.
Hello, careful. You're talking about my future baby father.
You're an idiot.
So, now that the comedy show is over, can we get back to serious business?
Bubbles, don't be like that. You know, we have to break the ice. Right, I don't want to mention the word, you know, the Jamaicans overseas might, you know.
You say it's in the area where the shootout did go on, right?
Yes.
Sir, the side where him escaped to, it leads to another body of bush. But the bush around there very thick, so I wonder if him still chance it to lay low around there.
You'll be very surprised about the things that desperation make a man try. Plus, after losing them guns, you can't face Miranda, no? You know where you can find it? Check the clinics in the area because the Mac have got all over.
You're right, you know, sir. Who do we have in the system that can alert us of anybody coming in with any kind of injuries?
Oh, goodly doctor. She can alert all of the little health clinics and thing around if anybody comes in like that. I don't think I'm going to try any established hospitals.
Sir, this is a couple weeks ago, you know. If you get any injury, you don't think you would have attended to it already?
You're quite right, you know. But we need to find out if anybody saw somebody fitting his description in bandages. Plus, if he's in the bush still, we need you to keep watch so the minute he comes out and passes any of your cameras, we pick up.
Sir, what about getting somebody on the ground? Like how we even have a drone, so somebody on the ground can give us report daily.
Yeah. We need 2 to 3 people. I need a cigarette vendor. I need somebody pushing a cane cart. And I need somebody look like him mad.
This sounds to me like you need to reinstate the sleeper program because we can't have regular civilians doing this.
Okay, bossy. You really can't resist digging into my pocket, eh? I tell you what, you organize it.
Consider it done. Also, what we can do is maybe find a house that's there, that's empty.
Hey, slow your roll. You up your feet? This is an operation we're mounting, not going into the Airbnb market.
Which, sir, is not a bad idea. The Airbnb is a lucrative marketing place.
Tell me all on it. You don't say another word. I leave you in charge for just a little while, and all of a sudden we're gone into all kind of different enterprises and diversifying and what else we into?